Closer. If you're going to do the smiley face, you got to get closer.
And we'll see. Let's do this.
Phil is going to attempt to make the Mel Gibson smiley face. Do it on this one over here.
On the left.
One on the right. Now do it on the one on the left. You already got the nose and half the mouth.
Yeah, I was going to say, I mean, liberals left. Hey, we might as well. Okay. Damn it. Safety.
Let's see.
I might have a nice day written out.
Hold on.
Well, it's the formation.
You can see it. It's crooked. Just kind of like a liberal, really crooked. The eyes, nose. There's the mouth. That's actually not bad.
And gave him a goiter. So.